I want to share with you the experience of using the blended lighting on my second generation Renault Megane. Anyone who has this car knows the problem. The light is very weak, and the standard one that comes on, and the lenses are changed. The lenses burn out very badly. I decided to install the blended lighting on my car. I have been driving for 3 years already, and I bought Rona Bile Light. Here is such a box, and here what I want to say, I bought myself 3. Bought 2 in lenses, installed, drove, just in case I think. A light bulb, this is not to go, buy a light bulb in the store. I will take myself another one, high will be for a spare, but it still has not been useful for 3 years. Considering that I have already driven 50,000 kilometers in a lot. And the car constantly drives with daylight, so the indicator that the bulbs. I have already forgotten what it is to change light bulbs in a car, how it changes. And what I want to say, some features, before you install white color. Make a decision, be sure to understand for yourself. Who will install it for you? Talk to the master, because buying one thing and installing it is a completely different matter. Often this is unpacking the headlights, but in my case the headlight was not unpacked. It was installed instead of the lighting that I had. Hear what I want to say. The company now produces, as far as I was told. These are the fastening contours. They are plastic, I have metal ones, therefore with plastic fasteners. It is not the same story, not very good. It is very important when installing additionally, for each type of car, its own adapter, which is attached to the part of the car. In order to install it as much as possible, there in the photo I will show you. There it costs, in my opinion, this printout is about, probably 200 hryvnia. Well, as the printout is metal, therefore I can from reviews. Add that the light works very well at night. In pairs oncoming you extremely rarely blind. Those who have powerful xenons or chandeliers hanging there, they can still blind, everything else you ego absolutely safely. Very good clearance and smooth edges, and it turns out that both on low and high beam everything works very well, so if I had to put a ticket or not put it, I would say, yes, we put it, but the only thing that is again important is that the master knows what he is doing or where you will do it yourself. Separately I want to say that unlike xenon, it does not need a spark plug. It turns on instantly and works completely. There is ventilation here to prevent overheating. Enough at a price of 1800 hryvnia 3 years ago. This is xenon. And therefore I should note for a pair. And I bought a spare set for myself for 900 hryvnia. An important point is the resource of these lenses. And it will be enough for you. I can't say that this is $1 million one, so far I can only confidently say for 50. Well, I think it will reach 100,000.